Hi, this is Rob. We're going to insert a SIM card and a micro SD card into the Nokia 8110 2018 phone. Then we will check the software of the phone needs updating and update the software over Wi-Fi. Okay, pop off the back of the phone. There's a notch on the bottom of the phone. Place your fingernail in that slot to pop off the back of the phone. We'll insert the SIM card. But first we need to take out the battery because the battery blocks where we need to insert the SIM card. Take out the battery from the bottom. Take the SIM card and insert it in here. You need to use a micro SIM card as your first SIM card. And if you have a second SIM card, it needs to be a nano SIM card. It fits in easily. Now for the micro SD card. The micro SD card goes slightly up top of the SIM card. You can use up to a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. That fits in nicely. If you have a second SIM card, it goes in here. You need a nano SIM card for this slot. This is the tricky part. Nokia says you need to slide this top metal piece to the right. Which way is right? I think you need to slide it towards the top of the phone. Be careful because I think I broke this metal piece because I did not slide it to the top before I lifted it up. Place the second SIM card, a nano SIM card, face down, and close the metal piece down and slide it to the left to lock the metal piece down. My metal piece will not lock down because I broke it trying to open it up. Now it just flaps around. Good thing I won't be using the second SIM card. Now place the battery back in. Place the back cover back on and snap it in place. We will turn on the phone. I will slide this open. There's a button on the right upper side. Press and hold it in until the phone turns on. The phone is turning on. It's going to take a couple of minutes for the phone to turn on. When the phone is about to finish turning on, you will hear this tone. In about 10 seconds after you hear that tone, the phone will be turned on. Here it is asking for the PIN for my SIM card. I will enter the PIN. When you are finished entering your PIN for the SIM card, press Done, which is this button here. The SIM is working. I get this notification from Nokia that there is a software update for this phone. I want to do a software update via Wi-Fi, but first we need to turn on and set up the Wi-Fi. Go to the main menu here. Scroll down to Settings. Here. Go down to Wi-Fi here. Turn on Wi-Fi. Go down to Available Networks. These are the networks in my area. I have already connected to my network, so I am automatically connected. But let's go to a new network. I'll go down and choose one of these networks. Now the phone is asking for the password for the network. To enter numbers, lowercase letters, and uppercase letters on the Nokia 8110, press this button down here on the lower right, the pound key. Look up here. We are in number mode. Press the pound key again. Now we are on lowercase letter mode. Press the pound key again. Now we are in uppercase letter mode. I am going to go to my notices by pressing this button for notices. There are my current notices. I will go to the top notice about software update. I will choose this notice. This window appears. In the bottom right it says Options. I will choose Options by pressing this button. The top option says Settings. I will choose Settings by pressing Select with this center button here. Now I have a choice between automatic update daily or download via Wi-Fi or mobile network. I want to download via Wi-Fi. This window pops up. I'm going to choose the button 1, Wi-Fi only. Now confirm Wi-Fi only. So what we did was to set up receiving software updates by Wi-Fi only. I'm going to go back by pressing this button here. Go back again until we get to the main screen. Now we will go to and update the software. We'll go to the main menu here. Go down to Settings. It is this icon here. This window appears. We're going to scroll to the right until the Device tab. Highlight device information and press the Enter key. Go down to Software Update and press Enter. This window appears. Software update available. Or you might see this screen here, checking for update. Then you might see this window. Your software is up to date. However, if you just bought the phone, chances are you need a software update. I'm going to select Download. There, we are downloading the software update via Wi-Fi. After the new software is downloaded, you will see this window to install the new software. Hit Enter to start installing. This is what you will see when the new software is installing. This will take a few minutes. Then the phone will reboot. After the reboot, you have to enter the PIN for your SIM card again. I'll enter the PIN and select Done. There it is. We have the new software installed and working. That's it. In this video, we have inserted the micro SIM card, the micro SD card, set up the Wi-Fi on the phone, download the new software update, and install the new software update. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel.